Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. Now before us is this trigonometry question, and it reads that in a triangle ABC, now AB is 4 root 3 centimeter and BC is 5 root 3 centimeter and angle B equals 60 degree. Now find the length AC, leaving your answer in simple solved form. Okay, let us now draw out the triangle first. So we're taking it side A, B, and C. Okay, so AB is 4 root 3 centimeter, and BC is 5 root 3 centimeter. Then angle B, which here is 60 centimeter. All right. Now, since we are having two known sides, now an angle, and we are told to find the third side of the triangle. Let's make this one B. Okay, now we're going to make use of the sine rule. Okay, and the sine rule says A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC now cos A. Okay, but in this case now we're looking for side B. Now this is in a case where you're looking for side A, and take note of this. You have A, take note BC, okay, BC, then angle A. All right, since we're making use of we're looking for B, so we have B squared and equals, then you arrange here, you have A squared plus C squared minus the same 2, then AC, then cos the angle of which we are looking for the sides. So here you have cos B. Okay, so at this point, let us now begin to solve. So our B squared now equals our A is 5 root 3. That is the side opposite the angle A. So here you have 5 root 3 all squared, then plus, then C, which is 4 root 3. You have 4 root 3 all squared, then minus 2, then times A, that will be 5 root 3 times 4 root 3, then cos 60. Okay, and cos 60 is meant to give us 0.5. Okay, so that will be 1 all over 2. That will be times 1 all over 2. Alright, so let us now simplify further. So B squared will now give us, no, so in this case now, we have to distribute the square to both 5 and root 3. So 5 squared will give us 25. Then root 3 squared will give us what? 3. Then plus the same thing here, 4 squared will give us 16. Then times root 3 squared will give us 3. Then minus, so in this case now, 2, we eliminate 2 here. Okay, so we are left with 5 root 3 times 2 root 3, that will give us what? 20 times 3. Okay, how is it 20 times 3? 5 times 4 will give us 20. Then root 3 times root 3 will give us what? Will give us 3. So here we have B squared equals 5 times 3 will give us 75. Then plus 16 times 3 will give us 48. Then minus 60. So 45 plus 48, you should give us 5 here, that will be 3, 13, remainder 1. This is 11 plus 1, 12. Then minus 60, so we end up having 63. So our B squared equals what? 63. So in this case now we are going to square root both sides. By square rooting both sides, we have that B will now be plus or minus the square root of what? 63. But because here our negative will be invalid, okay, so we now say that B equals the square root of what? 63. But in this case, the question tells us to simplify it into short form, to its simplest form. So 63. Now, what two numbers will you multiply to give you 63? And one of those numbers must be a perfect square number. That should be 9 and 7. So we have the square root of what? 9 times 7. So simplifying this further, the square root of 9 will be what? 3. So here we have 3 root 7 centimeter. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.